One of the most frequent questions we get asked is, how's the weather? Honestly, it's one of the best parts about living here in Lake Chapala. We have an average weather of 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and we don't have to worry about any extreme climate changes. Every day is just like a spring day. No snow, no sweltering, just near perfect weather all year round. Another popular search is cost of living in Lake Chapala. The answer will surprise you. You can live comfortably here for as little as $1,500 to $2,500 a month. This includes rent, utilities, and even dining out. Living here isn't just about relaxing. Whether it's exploring local markets, enjoying the art scene, or participating in colorful festivals, there's always something to do. You'll get to experience the real Mexico. Healthcare is another big concern amongst retirees, but here's the good news. Lake Chapala offers excellent healthcare at a fraction of the cost of what you would pay up north. Many of the doctors speak English, and you have access to both public and private hospitals in nearby Guadalajara. Lake Chapala has a perfect location for those who need a peaceful lifestyle, but who still seek easy access to the city. Guadalajara is only an hour away, and its international airport offers accessibility for friends and family to visit. So those are some of the top reasons why so many people are choosing to retire in Lake Chapala. The weather, the affordability, the vibrant community, and the healthcare, it's all here. If you're considering making the move, we would love to help you. Thanks for watching.